I no longer have to have somebody go out and measure the house, which takes a significant amount of time. Now we have our project managers going in, scanning the whole home or commercial space, and it's rendering all the measurements, it's producing a sketch, and for us, that's saving a lot of time, and ultimately we see that on the bottom line. So my name is Nick Hobbs. I work for Dalworth Restoration, and I'm our mitigation manager. It's a family-owned business. We've been in business since 1976. My dad and my uncle started the company, so I've kind of worked all the way through from middle school to high school and even through college. So we annotate all of our projects. All of our mitigation jobs will go in, annotate all the equipment, how many days the equipment was on site, and we also put all of our moisture points on the walls, basically showing day one it started at 100% saturation, going all the way down to 0% saturation by day 4, day 5. We also put our psychometric readings in there as well, and so we're using it as our entire documentation package, from our forensic photos to our moisture mapping. And so being able to see everything in one package just helps us get paid faster.